Hi.
What's going to be funny is if this bit shows up as a blooper.
You make it look so easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah! We got it. Now go away, try it out, and have.
Home girl, don't play. I.e., she plays very well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And those last two right hands will come down with the syllables of 7. Last two right hands. Very nice.
This is not complicated. Proceeds to unify quantum gravity with relativity.
Count this as its own individual note. It's not two notes, because it's a flam, so it's a flam. Poor explanation. A- on that one.
I don't want to be a pie. I don't like gravy.
You're making something difficult look, sound easy. Good stuff.
Oh, bleh.
Yeah.
So let's lock the exposure.
2 seconds later.
Why is exposure locked? We don't want that.
You're a good teacher. Amazing. Even better player.
Yes, that was the technical term for it. Blah, 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 blah. I use it all the time, and therefore it is official.
Mind-blowing. Skills.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. We're not in 7, we're in 9. 7, 8, 9. Yep, gotta read it. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's just not what it is. Counting is not gonna happen with this bad boy. Oh! How long has that not been recording for, huh? Who knows? Not me.
As I have said before, this girl is so annoyingly good. I wonder how many years of practice to get... Okay. I wonder how many years of practice of... I wonder how many years of practice to get to this standard. So many. So many.
Fill number 1. Hey, no, not fill number 1. All right, nobody panic. We're all good. Drum audio wasn't running, sorry. Gross. Anyway, that's the first one. That'll do. Bam. In green. Because green means I'm a winner. Hip hoppy groove. Well, isn't that? This is something. Do I want beef pie? Yeah. If your hands need a speed coordination workout, then I've got the figure for you. That sounded so much like a euphemism. That's almost blinding. There it was. There it was. We're going to cut to that bit. Yes, we are, Sean. Aren't we, bro? Friend, buddy, pal.
But Emma, aren't I too old to play the drums?
That'll do. Feel free to check that out because we will get on with that in there. No. God, no. Bad take. Sean, if this goes out anywhere with my atrocious Australian accent, I'll fire you. I'm not going to say I won't because then you'll put it out. And the main groove, whatever that might may be. There you go. Whatever that might may be. I hope you have a fantastic practice session and a lovely day. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye, driver.
Bye-bye, driver.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.